Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate service tax report in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. Here, we have to select the Tax Reports menu under the Accounts module. Now, we have to select the Service Tax Report menu. On the Service Tax Report page, we have to fill the required details. Then we have to click the Submit button. After clicking the Submit button, the details will be displayed on the screen. If you want to download this detail, just click the Options menu. Then we have to click the Download button to download these details. This is how to generate service tax report in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.